Welcome back to another Trucking with Trucker D. I'm your truck driver, Trucker D, and we're back at it again. So today, it's Friday. We're in truck 512, and we are running to Kalamazoo. And then from Kalamazoo, we're running down to Sydney. And then once we're down in Sydney, we gotta get a hold of our dispatch and see if truck 673 or truck 627 is ready for pickup yet. And if it is, I'm gonna have to turn in the truck I've been driving the last couple of days, which is kind of unfortunate because I really do like this truck. I asked dispatch if we could keep this truck, and to my avail, they never responded, so I guess it is what it is. This is surprising though. This truck rides really nice. It's got 1,009 miles, 3,512. A lot of miles, but the truck drives like it's brand new. It holds steady on the road. It rides smooth. It absorbs every bump. It's just, if I had the opportunity, I'd buy this truck right now. No hesitation. I mean, it's a sleeper cab, and all the stuff in the back, it doesn't rattle. You'd think this stuff would be all rattling around right now, but that's the company I work for. They really take care of their trucks. So, but that's what we're doing today. And as you people remember, last Friday we did an episode. It seemed like everything was just discombobulated one way or the other, even though things still ended out good at the end of the day. We're already having a kind of a rough start. Nothing to get your day down on, but the bakery shipping, I get here at 11:55 today. Call him to get my load. He's like, alright, I'll be out there in a minute. I sat there for 34 minutes, and I'm like, where the hell is this guy? So I call him back. I'm like, I didn't even get a chance to say anything. He's like, oh dude, I'm so sorry, I forgot about you. He's like, I'll be out there in a second. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? I was trying not to swear on this channel like that, but you know what? I'm irritated today. I'm like, are you kidding me? So he finally comes out with my load card, apologizes, whatever. It's cool. But it's just one thing after another lately with this place. Not the company I drive for, but the place I get my loads out of. They haven't been wanting to answer their phones, for one. For two, they've been giving you attitude. And I don't understand why. Why give you attitude? I understand if you're having a shitty day or whatever. Don't take it out on me. That's not cool. You know. And when I come back at night, if you're not going to answer your phone to tell me where to put my trailer, I'm putting it where I want. I'll shoot you a text. Hopefully you get it. If not, that's on you, not me. I'm not sitting here all night long once I get done driving all day for you to figure out where you want me to put my trailer because you're not answering your phone. So whatever. But it is what it is. We're going to go get hooked up to this trailer, get our pre-trip all set up, and we're going to get on down the road. So with that, I'll see y'all either, I don't know if we're going to do a little commentary on the road today, or if I'm going to just do my commentary like I normally do at the stops. I guess we'll find out. So I guess I'll see you when I see you. Later, y'all. Okay, Zoo, y'all. We made it out here. Traffic wasn't as bad as I expected. I mean, it is Good Friday, the weekend just before, or the Friday just before Easter. I figured traffic was gonna be, kind of shitty. Considering that, I figured people were gonna be traveling. As we were coming in here, though, had some cop activity going on, some ambulances we had to pull over for. Sitting here hooking up my trailer, and looked like an undercover was talking to another cop. Overheard them talking about somebody running one way or the other. Who knows? Just another fun day in the zoo, I guess, right? Anyways, so we're getting ready to head out. We're heading down to Sydney from Kalamazoo. This is kind of my favorite, this is what I've been waiting for today. This is my favorite thing right here, taking new roads. Now, it's probably going to be kind of familiar area because I was down 127 back when I first started driving with this company. And I was down that way. I think I'm actually going to be maybe a little bit further north on 127 today. But the GPS has got me taking 94 back east, 69 south to 469 south. Now we've been on 469 before going to Indy, and we just haven't been towards the northern part of it. So we're gonna probably do a whole tour of 469 just before it goes back down to 69. That's 469 kind of does a little C around 69 and around the city of Fort Wayne, Indiana. But we're gonna take 469 over to 30, and we're gonna take 30 over to 127, and I think 127 takes us some country road or something that takes us to 75 south in Ohio. So, but it's all new scenery. And as usual, I'm bringing you along for the ride, letting y'all follow my journey. And with that, we'll see you down in Sydney. Later, y'all. Well, we made it to Sydney. We're switching over all of our stuff from truck 512 to truck 673. That's it. Gotta say bye to this truck. Before I do, let me show you all around a little bit. Surprised my phone works with these gloves on. There we go. So, it's not much, but it's what a lot of us truckers call home. The sleeper of the truck. You have all your little controls over here for your heat, and you can even control the radio. Oh, and the AC. You can control the AC from over here too. There's a bunch of other little things that you got back here. You got a little table. You got storage cabinets. But yeah, that's the gist of the sleeper. So we're just about done switching everything over. Got all of our stuff over in 673. Gonna have to clean off the windows, drop this trailer that's hooked up to this truck, park this truck, hook that truck up to it, and we gotta go pick up some paperwork up front. And then after that, we'll be on our way back home to start our 34 reset for the weekend. Well, for Saturday. Tomorrow, ignore. Okay, so I got a phone call. Anyways, so we're gonna finish doing all this stuff, go get the paperwork up front, and oh yeah, like I was saying, for our 34 reset this weekend, we're gonna go hang out with some friends over in Rochester. We're gonna do some wine tasting and go out to this Irish pub right downtown Rochester. And the guy that we're actually hanging out with is one of the guys that was one of my very first dispatch when I was just driving a van. So, but we're gonna get finished doing everything we need to get done so we can get back on the road. Just want to jump in here, do a quick little tour of the sleeper, and say bye to 512 for the last time. Maybe we'll see it again. Who knows? Only time will tell. But we'll see you later back in Plymouth. Later, y'all. Back in Plymouth, y'all. The day is over. But before I close this out for the day, let's talk about a couple things, eh? So, I know I've probably said this before in other videos, but there's nothing like a great playlist. I was scrolling through my phone this morning before I left to the truck, and I came across all my old songs that I had saved on my phone that I probably haven't listened to in probably a good 2-3 years. So I'm like, you know what? After I listened to Kevin Rutherford and after I listened to David Trust the Freak today, I'm like, let me play this playlist and let me have a nostalgic drive on my way home. Well, my drive turned out to be a 3-hour concert starring me sitting in the front seat of this truck. It was great. So, on another note, we picked up truck 673. We said goodbye to truck 512. Now, I took truck 673 down to Sydney for them to mess with it. Now, when I took it down there, all it had was a fifth wheel that didn't latch anymore. The fifth wheel was messed up, so it wasn't latching. So I took it down there. Truck was driving fine. There was nothing wrong with it. They had it for about 2 weeks. You know, I talked to my dispatch about what was going on with the truck. They said that they took it to the Freightliner dealer to have some warranty work done to it. I don't know what needed to be done. The truck was running great before I took it down there. Just had the busted fifth wheel. Fast forward, driving back to Plymouth tonight with truck 673, and I get about 10-20 miles down the road, and a solid yellow engine light comes on. There was no lights on this truck when I took it down there. That's ridiculous. So I'm hoping that it's just needs to reset itself and relearn itself, and it will do that when I turn the kill switch off tonight, and I'll come back on Sunday and it'll be A1. If not, it looks like it's probably going to have to go back down to Sydney again. And last but not least, something I wanted to talk about earlier today but never got around to it. I really hate left lane exits. I deal with a few of them every single day. You got getting on the M14 coming from 94 east, it's in the left lane. You got coming on to 475 from 75, that's in the left lane. And you got getting on to M14 coming from 23 and 14 collaboration where they run together. You're going west on 14 that runs into 23 north, and then you're going to continue on to 14 west, and you got to be in the left lane. Now what sucks about that is I guess it wouldn't be so bad if I wasn't governed at 64. You know, you get over there from the right lane, and you try to give yourself enough time, but not ride in the far left lane so you're slowing down traffic. But once you get over there, you know, sometimes you just gotta take a chance and get over there, no matter where you're at. And it's just, it's a pain, just for the simple fact that you're slowing down traffic, and I just hate them. Like I said, it wouldn't be so bad if I had a truck that would go over 64, but I guess it is what it is, right? So, with that note, I'm gonna close this video out. I gotta do my final paperwork for the week, turn it into the little basket in the office in there, and go home, start my 34 reset. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for following my journey. As always, please like, share, and subscribe. And please, I can't stress this enough, please be courteous to your fellow driver. Y'all have a good night. Happy Easter, and I'll see y'all next time. Later.